Hello guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're talking about what is an assertion. What exactly is assertion? Assertion is a debugging tool in Python that help you test conditions in your code. It allows you to check whether a condition is true or is false. If the condition evaluates to false, the program raises an assertion error and they stop the execution. If the condition is true, the program continues normally. You can think of this as when we talked about try and accept block. Most try and accept block tends to help us to stop our tend to handle errors. But in this situation, we can use session help us to debugging purpose. In a situation where we don't know what exactly the output is going to be printed, whether we don't know what we did or whether the result we were expecting we are not sure. We can use our session to handle it in our Python script. So that's where a session comes in. So how do we write a session? The session takes two arguments. The first is let's write assert. This is how a session is being written, assert. And the first thing it takes is the condition. Then after that, it take what is called an optional messages. Let's say message. So condition and a message. So let's write create a variable called x equals to 9. Let's make a condition. So you can say x greater than let's say 5. Which message do you want to give? Let's give it a message must be greater than let's say okay, let me say let's say it must be greater than 0. So okay, let's say must be less than 9. Example, what is going to happen here exactly. So let me remove this is actually supposed to be a comma, so we won't get an error on it. What is actually happening here? Like I stated earlier, let me go back. Like I said earlier, assertion takes two parameters, which is the argument and the message. This is the condition and the message, which we made sure we did there. Which this is the condition, which is the message we are going to receive in case we get an error. So when I run this script, we are not going to get any output because our condition is true. You can see when I run it, I didn't get any output. Let me run it again. I won't get any output. Why? Because the condition is our x is greater than 5. Let's say in a situation we say our x is greater than 100. We all know that this is a false. We know that x is 9. How can 9 be greater than 100, which is not true? So in this situation, this is going to be a fail process. It's going to print out an error on the screen, and we're giving the error type of error we want must be less than 9. So let's run and see the output. You can see here I got the error, assertion error must be less than 9. You can see where the problem came in. I can write as many as I want. Okay, let me see. Let's say this condition was, let's say this is 3, this is 5, this is let's say 9, and this is 100. Let's run and see. You can see I got an error here which says must be less than 9, and this is where the error occurs. Assertion x greater than 9, which in our situation is false. X is equals to 9, not greater than 9, because we're trying to say that 9 is greater than 9. I don't think that makes sense actually. We know that 9 is equals to 9. 9 cannot be greater than 1. 9 is not like saying 0 is greater than 0. No, it doesn't work like that. So this is where the error came in, as you can see down here below. So these other ones run successfully. So you can write as many assertion as you want. This is just basically how assertion works. You will even know in most cases assertion is not being used much like that, but it has a lot of useful purposes. Why assertion is not being used most time? Because of the help of the IDE. The IDE tends to help us make things easier, alert us in a situation where the error is already showing us. But in a situation where the IDE is not showing us, we can make use of this assertion to debug our script, our code easily. So this is just basically how Assertion works in the basic way possible. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Also, don't make sure to subscribe to collect any money from your pocket. So see you in the next video.